15 creative ways to give money for a wedding. You want to give a wedding gift that's practical, meaningful, and maybe a little unexpected? Money is always useful for newlyweds. But let's be honest, handing over a plain envelope can feel boring. In this video, we'll explore 15 creative ways to give money for a wedding. They're fun, personal, and guaranteed to make the couple smile before they even see what's inside. Some ideas are simple to prepare, others are memorable keepsakes they'll treasure forever. And the final one in this ranking, it's so unique that it could become the highlight of the gift table. Let's start. Ranking number 15, the origami bouquet. Instead of flowers that fade, create a bouquet made entirely from folded bills. You can shape them into roses, lilies, or even tulips. It looks beautiful on the table, and later the couple can unfold and spend them. It's art and practicality in one. Ranking number 14, the photo album surprise. Buy a small photo album and fill the pages with memories photos of you with a couple little notes, and in between them flat bills tucked into clear pockets. They'll flip through and discover the money as they go. It's heartfelt, personal, and perfect for sentimental couples. Ranking number 13, the fortune cookie reveal. You can order giant fortune cookies or make your own. Slip the cash inside along with a custom fortune message wishing them love and happiness. They'll break it open and get a surprise worth much more than a lucky number. Ranking number 12, the money jar of wishes. Take a large jar decorated with ribbons and a tag that says "For your first adventures together." Fill it with rolled bills and small handwritten notes, each with an idea for a date night, a travel suggestion, or a message of encouragement. It becomes both a gift and a source of inspiration. Ranking number 11, the puzzle challenge. Place the money inside a small box, then put that box inside a larger box, and keep going for 3 or 4 layers. Wrap each layer beautifully. The couple will have fun opening each stage before reaching the final surprise. You can also use an actual puzzle box if they enjoy a challenge.
Ranking number 10, the balloon pop.
Place bills inside clear balloons, inflate them with helium, and gather them in a bouquet. Attach a note saying "Pop me for a surprise." It's interactive, fun, and makes for great photos. Ranking number 9, the travel fund frame. If the couple loves traveling, buy a shadow box frame and write "Our Travel Fund" on the glass. Slip the cash inside along with a map or photos of places they dream of visiting. They can hang it in their home as both a decoration and a reminder of your gift. Ranking number 8, the money cake. Not an actual edible cake, but a cake made from rolled bills stacked in tiers and tied with ribbon. It's decorative, playful, and they'll love dismantling it. Add a small topper with their initials for an extra personal touch.
Ranking number 7, the treasure hunt.
Create a small map or a set of clues that lead them to where you've hidden the gift. It could be in their home and at the reception, or even in their honeymoon luggage.
Make it lighthearted and easy to solve, but still exciting.
Ranking number 6, the message in a bottle. Roll the bills tightly and place them inside a decorative glass bottle along with a heartfelt note. Seal it with a cork and maybe a little sand or shells if they love the beach. It's romantic and makes a nice display piece. Ranking number 5, the money lei. Inspired by a Hawaiian tradition, create a necklace using folded bills and fresh or artificial flowers. Place it around their necks during the reception. It's colorful, symbolic, and makes a great photo moment. And if this sounds good, wait until you see what comes next. Ranking number 4, the emergency kit. Buy a small first aid box and label it in case of newlywed emergencies. Inside, place rolled bills along with funny items like chocolate, coffee packets, or small snacks. It's playful but also genuinely useful for unexpected expenses. Ranking number 3, the hidden book. Get a hardcover book, maybe a love story or a travel guide, and hollow out a section of the pages in the middle. Place the money inside and close it. When they open the book, they'll discover a hidden treasure. It's a gift that feels like a secret. Don Billy te clear umbrella surprise. If the couple is adventurous or, rain might come on the big day, give them a clear umbrella filled with folded bills and confetti. When they open it, the money will fall like a little shower of fortune. It's dramatic, fun, and unforgettable. And finally, ranking number 1, the time capsule gift. Buy a decorative box and fill it with money, but also with personal letters from you and other close friends or family. Seal it with a note saying "Open on your first anniversary." It gives them something to look forward to and turns your wedding gift into an emotional moment a year later. It's not just cash, it's an experience that extends the celebration far beyond the wedding day. These 15 ideas prove that giving money doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can make it meaningful, memorable, and even fun for the couple to receive. And remember, in the video description, you'll find useful resources that can save you time and money. Below, I've included tools I use myself that might be very useful to you. And if you enjoyed this ranking, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.